On now, the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, in a very big statement on the recent terror attacks, has said that whoever will now give shelter to terrorists in Kashmir, his house will be blown up with explosives. Those who kill our people, there will be no mercy for them. So a very, very strong message coming in there from the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor's message on terrorism, saying that whoever is found to be giving shelter to the terrorists or shielding the terrorists, their houses will be blown up with explosives. And he is speaking in regard with the recent attacks that have been made on the non-Kashmiri workers who have been involved in various construction and development projects in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So a big statement coming in there from the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on the recent terror attacks, especially on the non-Kashmiri workers who have been there involved in several development projects.
देगा तो उसका हक जमींदोज किया जाएगा, ये मैं खुल के कहना चाहता हूं। इसमें कोई समझौता नहीं हो सकता। जो लोग आम आदमी की जान ले लेते हैं, निर्भया आदमी की जान ले लेते हैं, उनके साथ कोई रियायत बरती जाए। और कुछ लोग बयान दे रहे हैं कि साहब बड़ा अत्याचार हो रहा है, ये अत्याचार नहीं है। मैं समझता हूं कि न्याय का यही सबसे बड़ा तकाजा है और ये न्याय हो रहा है और आगे भी ये न्याय होता रहेगा।
Ishan joins us now for the very latest. Ishan, there has been an uptick in the terror-related activities, especially with, non-locals in Kashmir Valley becoming the target of these terrorists. Is that why the Lieutenant Governor has issued such a strong statement on terrorism?
Well, absolutely right. There has been an upward trend when you talk about the militants-related incidents, and that's why we have a strong word statement coming in from the Lieutenant Governor, who was speaking in North Kashmir, where he said that anyone who's giving shelter to the militants willfully, their houses will be razed, and there'll be strong action taken against anyone who is involved in attacking civilians and taking lives of civilians. That should be the way of justice towards those who have lost their lives in such kind of incident. It's a strong statement from Lieutenant Governor, where he has clearly mentioned that anyone who claims innocent lives will not be spared. And this will continue because there were a lot of apprehensions the new government has come in and how things will be. And there have been certain statements given from certain leaders. And that's what the Lieutenant Governor was referring to, that this justice system will continue, where anyone who is involved in civilian killings or targeting security forces, they wouldn't be spared. Though there can be possibility of political parties reacting to the statement where he said that those who are sheltering, militants in their houses will be razed, but there has been no political reaction so far. But strong worded statement from the Lieutenant Governor, who has clearly said that the justice like this will continue and they will not spare anybody who is involved in civilian killings.
Right, Ishan. Thanks so much for joining us and getting us more on this big statement coming in from the